The reason some people will continue to be wealthy is not far-fetched. It is because they continue to invest in income-generating assets, especially that of the weekly, monthly, or daily cash flow. Come with me, let's see the interior of this 3-bedroom duplex with BQ. This mansion is built in Omole, Phase 1, Ikeja, Lagos, and it is less than 20 minutes from the Muritala Mohammed Airport. These features include the automated door, the spacious living area with our dining set, of course, and then this is a well-equipped kitchen. There's also a storage area. We have 24 hours power supply, and we also have the washing machine in this environment. Right on the stairs, we've got the spacious all-ensuite bedroom. So what more can you talk about? You can actually make up to 40 to 45 million naira yearly on this property. Ask me how. Let's calculate together. 150,000 naira per night, say 20 to 25 days in a month, and then 12 months in a year. You can also do the calculation. This mansion is what I call the real steez. For you to know more about this place, call the number displaying on the caption of your video. I'll be expecting to hear from you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Senate moves disintegration of Nigeria is at hand. You know, formally, when anybody talks about Nigeria, that Nigeria is about to divide or Nigeria should divide into pieces, many people will say no. The peace of this country and the unity of this country is paramount when it is not working. Look at here, he said, shocking proposal, motion for Nigeria disintegration. I am going to show you the video. The Nigeria, the Senate, even the House of Assemblies, they have started rioting. But you know, bad eggs. Bad men, I said that bad eggs, if you don't understand it. Bad people are in the government, in the Senate. Bad people are too many in the Senate, and they are the ones that are making laws for themselves to continue destroying and embezzling the fund that belongs to this country. That is why the average man cannot see food to eat. They are the worst people on the planet Earth. You will see the type of shameless people that is in the government, the type of shameless people that is in the house. I mean the shameless leaders in the house. You will see somebody that is called the head, how shameless he is, even when he was reminded that so name, so person moved a motion for disintegration of this country to divide Nigeria. You can't hear it only from me. I'm going to show you the video. You will see the video. The person moved a motion for disintegration, and he said, as far as he's on stand, that the motion was not moved. Instead of saying yes, the motion was moved, but it will not work. He tried to, and his cohort that doesn't want the benefit or the betterment of this country followed suit. I am going to show you the video. You will see that shameless people are in the government so much. In the Senate, there are a lot of shameless people who they don't have sympathy. There is no empathy in their register. And these people are the people we should fight tooth and nail to remove them. Because when in an evil man beareth authority, the people cry, the people mourn. Yes, these are the people. You will see the video right now. I'm not going to spend your time. I'm not going to waste your time. You're going to watch the video. Take time and watch this video and see these shameless people in the government. That is why wickedness, that is why poverty is searching this country into mess. Yes, that is why this country is into mess. If you go to overseas, they are chasing them because they are of no value again, because the leaders, the senators, the governors, the president, the chairman have rendered this country useless and worthless in the international community. Their crime, the crime they commit is shouting all over. It's making noise all over, making Nigerian name all over. Very bad. Do you see? If people will leave the shores of this country and answer another name, they will not answer Nigeria. Even me, as I'm in the overseas, I don't answer Nigeria. If you call me, I tell you I'm not a Nigerian. I speak their language. When I speak their language, it happens. And they will leave you to go. But once they hear Nigeria, you are in trouble. Watch the video. Don't waste. Let me not waste your time. Just watch the video.
Now proposing the division of that very Nigeria, the breakup of Nigeria. Somebody in Senate moved that motion of a breakup on the Senate, but they are trying to play it down and trying to deny the fact that somebody moved the motion. Yeah, in the House of Assembly, somebody raised the motion for the breakup of Nigeria, but surprisingly, they pretend as if they didn't hear it, and somebody called their attention and they keep on denying it. I want you to watch the video and see how far Nigeria have deteriorated. When we are saying that Nigeria is going to break up very soon, people think it's a joke. The agitation is no longer in the street. It has gone into the House of Assembly. Let us watch.
I don't know who moved a motion yesterday on the floor asking for division. There wasn't any motion taken like that. There wasn't. There wasn't. I said there wasn't any motion on that, and I insist there wasn't any motion like that. No. Please. You see, if he has nobody, and you can go and take the clip again. I said nobody moved a motion on the floor here yesterday for division. So you are trying to mislead the House, and don't mislead the House. You are a leader. No. I beg of you, Mr. Chairman. No, you are trying to mislead the House. Please, you do not have the floor. Control yourself. Control yourself. I said control yourself. There wasn't a motion on the. I said there wasn't a motion, and I insist there wasn't a motion for division. 2. Well, I don't want you to repeat it again because that wasn't the position. He is saying that, Boma, I want you to be guided. We have our rules here. You do not have that power. I'm guiding you. Well, I want to. I am not saying I'm not about the division. If the point reaches for that,